The £12 million, $14.9 million cash boost Wrightbus has received will allow the Northern Ireland bus manufacturer to produce battery electric and fuel cell buses at its County Antrim factory for its next-gen ZEBS project to replace buses with diesel engines. The funding Wrightbus received is reserved for green vehicle development. More specifically, it is part of a £77 million, $95.8 million joint government and industry-backed funding for the development of zero-emission vehicles. To deliver its next-gen ZEBS project, Wrightbus will work with Queen's University Belfast and TransLink. The hope is that the project will fill a gap in supply for zero-emission, multi-axle vehicles. It's also hoped that the project will create and safeguard over 880 jobs. When I took over the company, I was clear about my ambitions for it, both in terms of contributing to the UK's plans for net zero and in terms of supporting the British economy, said Joe Bamford, Wrightbus executive chairman. Beyond developing EV and fuel cell buses, Wrightbus is also planning an H2 production facility. Back in February 2023, Wrightbus announced plans to develop a green hydrogen production facility at its factory in Ballymena. This new facility is expected to help create a reliable source of fuel for the hydrogen fuel cell buses the company manufactures. Initially, the Green H2 production project will be capable of generating enough hydrogen to run up to 300 buses. It will also reportedly have the capacity to triple in scale as demand for the clean fuel increases. Currently in Northern Ireland, Wrightbus already supplies TransLink with battery electric and fuel cell buses. The company also recently secured an order to deliver 48 zero-emissions buses to be used in London by the end of 2023. The next-gen ZEBS project is one of 7 projects across the UK that has received joint government and industry support. Recently, Hydrogen Fuel News reported on Liverpool firm Ulemco securing millions in funding for its higher power project to develop its hydrogen vehicle technology for fire engines and ambulances. Both the next-gen ZEBS project and higher power project have been awarded funding through the Advanced Propulsion Center Collaborative Research and Development Program. The goal of this program is to build an end-to-end supply chain for zero-emission vehicles in the United Kingdom. That's it for now. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab our free ebook. The link is in the description. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below.